Welcome back everyone. How you doing today? It's Mo here. Well, it's a hot day here in Texas. If you saw my last video of my Rambler review, I had mentioned about how it was kind of hard to get food around this time because of what's going on. Well, luckily I was able to go out and purchase some food. Not so much of like the meat that I wanted to cook, but you know, if you've been going to the grocery store, especially here in Texas, they're limiting on how much you can buy, and in the case if they even have a certain meat that I was out looking for, in this case they really didn't. So in this video, what I want to do is that I have here from JP's Barbecue. I don't know if you've ever seen his videos, but he's a great pit master. He's down in Florida. I watch his videos all the time. He seems like a laid back guy, knows what he's doing when it comes to barbecue. And so I figured, you know what, he makes his own rub sauces. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go out and I purchased his rub, and it's a sexy chicken, and I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna see how it is, and we'll get to it. All right, I have chicken leg quarters here. I went ahead and I did trim them up. I removed loose skin or fat, removed tailbone from it, kind of, you know, dress it up and cut it up, make it look a little nice, more presentable. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub it down with the JP Sexy Chicken. Get it going like that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off real quick. Next, I'm going to put the chicken leg quarters on. Put one in the middle, just like that. All right, close it up. All right, now for this cook, I'm probably gonna go for the temp, probably in my Bronco. I'm gonna go from 275 to, I don't know, 300. That's fine with me, whatever, as long as it's in that temp range, I'm fine. And I'm gonna let it go, and who knows how long it's gonna cook. It's gonna cook. When it's done, it's done. I'm gonna pull it off when it reaches internal temperature of 165 on the chicken leg quarters. Until then, I'll get back to you. 1 hour into this cook here, let's see how it looks. Looking pretty good. Man, it smells good. Hear that sizzle? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let it roll. Still got time. Just kicking back here in this hot Texas weather. Been sweating out here, but we'll get to it. All right, a little over 2 hours of this cook. I'm gonna open the lid and see how everything looks. Gonna take the internal temp of a chicken leg quarter, so let's do it. Man, look at that, looking good. I'm sure they're done. Let's do that. I got my ink bird right here, so let's do it. 170, 171, 72, 73. So yeah, we're good. This is probably gonna be a little over 78, 79. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna pull it off, and we'll get to eating. Thank you for sticking around this long. All right, food is done. I'm ready to bite into it. But I just want to show you, if you saw that I was using some orange gloves. Gloves that I was using are from Oklahoma Joe's Smokers. They're disposable BBQ gloves, and they feel pretty good. Fits all size hands. They also came with the reusable machine wash cotton glove liners. You put these on first, and then you put on your orange gloves, and it helps with if you're handling food that's hot. But I wanted to give you, if you saw that and you want to go out, Academy, they sell them for about $7. Pretty good. 50. I like them a lot. But let's get to it. Let's get to the chicken. So here's that. It's pretty good. I'm gonna break it off. Oh yeah. Chicken leg. Smells good. Bite into it. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's some good seasoning right there. Right there, good seasoning. Sexy Chicken JP barbecue. And that's good. That is real good. Go for another one. Look at that. Chicken is still moist. Not dry at all. Man. Look at that skin. Sorry about that. But this is some good rub right here. Now let's see the ingredients. I'm gonna use some ingredients to it. It has salt, garlic, paprika, rosemary, mustard seed, black pepper, thyme, basil, celery seed, onion. It's the name some right there. It's good. It's real good. It cost me around $7 for 8.8 ounce. It's good. Real good. But just want to say that it's been good to actually barbecue something. It's been months since I've done that, since I've been able to put something out for you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Okay, take a look at another. Tell you what, it makes that rub, makes the skin look nice. It really does. But it's time for me to call it quits. My little girl, she's standing next to me. She's getting hungry. She's ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. So until then, until the next cook, stay safe, stay healthy, smoke on. See you later, everyone.